Here at Highside Chemical, we try to solve problems as efficiently as possible. So when you get a hole in a piece of copper or aluminum, to fix that, typically in the past what you would do is actually cut it out, create a union, and put it back together. Those, I guess, repairs actually offer lots of opportunity for leakage. And then you have to come back, and those callbacks are expensive. So we actually created a product that you can create a repair in seconds that will hold almost any capabilities that whatever system you're working on would have. And that is just, Instant Patch, HVAC Instant Patch. It is a part of our Patch Right line. It is a two-part, three-step process where you take and make a repair in just a few seconds that will hold up to 1800 psi and 250 degrees. The technology is brand new, so this product has not been on the market or even available to be on the market until the past few years. So we have a hole in a copper line. By the way, we put all these products together with just for copper, and right now I'm going to demonstrate these holes. We have water in the lines, and we're going to open that up, and there you go. So in preparation for your Instant Patch, the only thing you're going to do is make sure that you have a dry surface. You're going to take some 60 grit sandpaper, and you're going to go over the hole. And we're just making sure that we rough it up some to make sure we have a clean surface to apply the Instant Patch. I'm going to dry that off one more time because there's still water in these pipes. All right, so we're going to use HVAC Instant Patch. You start with using part A, labeled A, and this is a bonding liquid that we're going to put over the top, and you'll see sits right on top. Then we're going to go back with the bonding cells, part B. These are your bonding cells. The bonding cells have an affinity for the bonding fluid. You can see as it stays right there by that. You can use liberally, and then you go back with part A, which is your third step. Okay, we're going to put the bonding fluid back over the top, just like that. And in just a few seconds, you're going to have about 20 seconds, you'll have a 700 psi bond. That bond is good to 250 degrees, and in 20 minutes, you'll have a 1800 psi bond. So whatever your pressures are that you're running through this, they definitely can be taken by this bond itself. As again, the two materials have an affinity for one another. This is a new technology. It can be used on aluminum, copper, brass, steel, stainless steel, PEX, any hard substrate. And when it's finished, it will have a D-Shore rating of 85. And if you're familiar with that, that's just shy of glass. So the hardness of this repair is going to be unmatched by just about anything else on the market. Once it starts to dry, take and wipe off the excess. Take your fingernail and rub across it. And you can feel how rough it is. That repair right now can be used and put back in service, whether it's a air conditioner line or a plumbing line, whatever it is, it can be put back in service at that time. Remember, HVACR Instant Patch can be found at any of your HVACR suppliers. Ask for it by name or call us here at Highside Chemical at 228-896-9220 or go to highsidechem.com and we'll help you find a location nearby to pick it up.